guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. Hope you all are doing well, and for today's tutorial this is a tribute especially to the LGBTQ community, and as they celebrate the Pride month. So June is actually known as the month for the LGBT community, and I believe all people should be treated equally regardless of who they are or who they love, and we shouldn't judge them on how they look or what they do or whom they love. That's what I strongly believe in, and this is a tribute to them. And please support this cause. And if you're interested, then let's get started with the tutorial. This is a very colorful rainbow kind of a tutorial. So to begin with, we are going to prime our lids with Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Fair. Use a lighter concealer so that the colors that we are going to add will pop. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to blend that all well with a concealer brush and then set it with Maybelline's translucent setting powder. And for this eye makeup look, I'm going to use Colourpop's Fade into Hue palette and the shade called Abstract. It's a beautiful poppy yellow color, and I'm going to place that on my inner corner. Like I'm going to use a flat brush and I'm going to place that yellow. I'm not blending it, I'm just placing the product and blending it. Next, I'm going to use this Love Plus Warhol. It's a beautiful shimmery peachy shade, and I'm going to place that next to the yellow, and I'm going to blend that with the yellow so that it looks nice and seamless. You have to keep on blending the two colors so that there's a beautiful transition between the colors. Next, I'm going to use this beautiful dark pink shade, and I'm going to place it with a bullet brush. I'm taking my own time here. I'm placing the product, blending that with the peachy shade as well so that it looks nice and well blended. Next, I'm going to use this shade called purple shade from the same palette. Actually, I took the wrong brush. You have to take a flat shader brush. It's easy to place the product because this is slightly powdery, so you have to dab the product for maximum intensity. So I'm placing the product and blending it with that pink. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to take a clean brush and I'm going to blend everything so that it looks nice and seamless here. And next, I'm going to work on my dark circles. I'm going to use LA Girl's color corrector in orange first to cover my dark circles. I'm going to blend that all well. And next, I'm going to use Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Medium. I didn't set that orange concealer. I'm trying different ways. So I'm blending this all well with a blender, and then I'm going to set that all in place with Maybelline's translucent setting powder. I love how the way my dark circles are covered here. Next, for the lower lash line, I'm going to use this shade called Dyed Up on a small bullet brush, and I'm going to place that on my inner lower waterline. And next, I'm going to go with the shade called Take It Easel on the same brush, and I'm going to place that right next to that green. I have already told you that it's going to be a very colorful rainbow kind of a look, so be ready for all the color splash. Next, I'm going to use this dark blue shade from the palette, and I'm going to place that right next to the light blue. And then at the end, I'm going to go with the purple once again. So the outer corners, both upper and lower, will have purple. So here I'm applying purple. I love how the look has turned out to be. And next, I'm going to work on my brows. I'm going to use Sugar's Brow Definer in the shade Jerry Brown, and I'm going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows, and I'm going to brush that all in place so that it looks nice and natural. Do you guys love such colorful eye makeup looks? Do let me know in the comment section below. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to create a nice winged liner with NYX's Epic Ink Liner. Here I'm going slow and steady, and I'm creating a normal winged liner. There's nothing to explain in that, right? Once I'm done with that, I'm going to use the Balm's Mary Luminizer as my brow bone highlight. And for my inner corners, I'm going to use Colourpop's Glitter Gel in Homecoming. It's a beautiful thin shimmery shade, a glitter shade actually. It's nice and beautiful. I love all the glitters from Colourpop. Next, I'm going to use Isadora's Contour Kajal on my upper waterline, and for my lower waterline, I'm going to use Colourpop's Creme Gel Liner in Bronze. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm going to use Isadora's Stretch Lash Mascara. I always used to call it as 2-in-1 brush mascara. And I'm going to coat my lashes upper and lower. You can go ahead and add falsies if you would like to, but I love my natural lashes. And well, I'm gonna add some rhinestones for that extra pride kind of a look, because I know pride LGBT community loves color, loves some edginess to their looks. So this is the final look, you guys. Do let me know in the comment section below if you love this look, and don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well, and do share this look with the LGBT community people if you know them. So I'll tag some of my looks through the videos, so you can check my other looks as well. There are many more eye makeup tutorials on my channel, so don't forget to check them out. And I love you all guys. Take care and happy Pride Month, you guys. Bye bye.